Hi, Liam Ward here at LearnTheHarmonica.com. This is the third and final lesson of Draw Bend Week. Stick around to play a really cool exercise. So you can see the tab on the screen and you'll see that it's around holes 2 to 5, and the first lot starts around 4 and 5, and then we actually end up on hole 2 to finish. And if I play it nice and slow, it goes like this. So I think it's a really nice exercise for getting around the instrument, and it's great for practicing those draw bends. You could use it in a song, but or just use it as part of your practice, just for getting these notes in tune. So the first lot of notes. So I'm kind of giving you half of it there. We've got 4 draw bend, and then 4 draw, 5 draw, and then 4 draw, 5 draw again. And then 4 draw bend, 3 draw. And the 3 draw there doesn't have a bend on it, which again is another feature of this that I really like, because you have to play that note unbent and then you have to play it bent in the second half. So you can't get away with just bending it every time you hit it. You have to be able to turn it on and off like that. So if I play that first half up to the 3 draw, okay, and then the second half, we've got 4 blow, 4 draw, then 3 draw semitone bend, and then full step bend, and then 2 draw, and then 2 draw second bend, and then 2 draw again. So I put those together. You can think of these as sets of 4 notes, as I have in the previous 2 lessons, or you can think of them as sets of 8 notes. For some reason with this one I find it easier to go da 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 da. Timing wise it's no different, but just in my head I'm almost thinking of it as 2 sets of 8, which is why I gave it you like that. But if you wanted to do it as sets of 4, then that makes sense as well. It's a really nice moving line, and you want to take it nice and slow to begin with, but once you do speed it up, it starts to sound really cool and flowing and kind of complicated as well. So this is what it sounds like if I play it a little bit faster. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, I don't think it kind of flows one after another if you play it again and again. It's almost like an ending line, but it's a really, really nice line to practice nonetheless. You might want to just leave a few beats between each phrase if you're playing it over and over again. And you might want to finish again on the 3 blow rather than the 2 draw. Remember, as with all these draw bend exercises, that it's about getting these notes in tune. It's kind of one of my New Year's resolutions, and maybe yours as well, to practice these bends and really get them in tune, because as harmonica players, sadly we don't always play these perfectly. I'm sure I wasn't playing them perfectly when I've just played those for you then, but it's about working towards that, and hopefully this year we can all work on that and get closer to what we're aiming for. So that's your 3rd draw bend exercise. That's it for this week. I'm going to be back next week with some blow bend exercises. I mean, if some of us don't practice our draw bends enough, we definitely don't practice our blow bends enough. I'm probably going to pick a lower harmonica than a C just because they get quite squeaky. So look out for my lessons next week for blow bend week. Before you go, please click like, share this video with your friends, and subscribe for free harmonica lessons every single week. Until next week, enjoy your practice, and I'll see you soon. Cheers.